What is happening? Hope you all had a good Christmas. Only 7 days left until game day, which starts January 2nd at 6:20 a.m. Pacific time. Right now, you're watching the pregame. Let's go! Day trading is risky, so learn a strategy like mine and practice in a simulator like I'm about to do right now. Thank you for joining me here at Eva Trades. It's October 7th, and we have 5 minutes to go until the market opens. And so let's take a look at the charts, the stocks that I'm watching today, hot off the gap scan. They are Lucy, ADTX, and AMBC. Now I'm going to look. Yes, I am recording the correct screen today. Yesterday, I made a mistake and recorded about 15 minutes of blankness. My apologies for that. Can't get it right every time, right? Okay, so let's break them down. I've got less than 5 minutes to go. So let me see. What do we have here on Lucy? Pretty nice move up. Hourly inside bar. 15-minute equilibrium starting to take shape with the high of the move. You can call this a higher low. I would call it a higher low. It's a little less, it's more of an inside bar bull break here, but I'm going to call that a support right there, and you'll see on the 5 minute. And then the bulls attempt this bounce, and then now we're pulling back. So I'm going to say anything above 254, which is this level, is kind of a higher low. Let's check something. If I were to go, let's not. Never mind. I was going to go to the 10-minute chart, and it'd probably look a little clearer, but I'm not going to waste time with that. I trade the 1 and 5 minute. So yeah, it's choppy on the 5. Let me see, you got some false breakdowns, or like this one right here where the bears tried to break down, but the bulls bought the dip off the VWAP, and here again, bulls buying the dip here and here, and again here and here and here. So some high red volume, also some high green volume. So we got a mixed bag. It's choppy. I'm just not sure on that one. I think I'm going to be watching the 15-minute to see if we get that higher low somewhere down in this area, and then the bulls want to make a move back up and break over 324 to form a higher low and higher high. Note the volume here for the 5 minute, but that candle is not even halfway through yet, so that could turn around and become green. You can see here we have a 2-bar pullback on the 15-minute, but that's after giving back quite a bit of this move on this hourly candle. I'm sorry, on the hourly, a 2-bar pullback. 15-minute is down here. Not really a whole lot to talk about this morning. These are the only 3, and AMBC is a little on the weak side. It doesn't have any volume. A lot of red candle or volume candles. So I don't know. Not to sound like the negative ninny in the bunch, but I don't see a lot of opportunity here right now. Maybe it's because I don't have my glasses on. Wow, and the world just got clearer. Okay, so a minute and a half, or minute, actually a minute, yeah, till the market opens. So I do want to make mention that 1 week from this morning is the start of the big game. That's when I'll be trading that live account. It'll be a live stream. It'll be a live account. We're talking real money. We're talking unlimited trades. It's going to be pretty fantastic. Hope you'll tune in. The show starts 6:20 a.m. Pacific time, a week from today. I'm starting to feel the excitement building. So here we go, a half a minute, and I don't really know where I'm going to be placing my first trade. I know we do have a support down in this area. Bulls buying the dip. Bears trying to break lower, but no follow through. So we'll see. It's just too choppy to really talk about higher lows and higher highs and lower highs and lower lows. I suppose I'll put a line there at 390. So the market's open now. You could say we have a falling wedge here on AMBC. I gotta see the volume come into it though before I'm interested. So right now, bears looking for a lower high and lower low. Getting the lower high temporarily here, but they gotta break down here first below $3 to confirm a lower high. And to see further consolidation on the 15-minute. Remember, on the 15-minute, we're looking for a temporary bottom somewhere above $2.54, and then the bulls to turn it around and go back up and break 324. So this might be where we do it here. I'm going to go ahead and jump in it 3 times. Rather aggressive to start the day, huh? That might be too aggressive. Ouch. Boy, that was aggressive, and I paid the price dearly. $3.33. That is how much I'm down right now. Wow. I really thought that was going to go. I don't know what the dog is doing. If you can hear that, I'm sorry. All right. Well, now it's time to just kind of wait a little bit and see if something's going to turn around, because now I need to look for an A quality trade. It's possible that I could end the day being down $300. It's a pretty good volume on ADTX. Double top here at 425, 424. There may be a buy opportunity off of $4 there. I'll try it. It's below the VWAP. That's a little risky. Matter of fact, I think I should move my stop loss up pretty tight on that. And I'm looking to hold this one for that move up to the high of day. I think I am. I might sell it for the break of that previous candle. We're holding the VWAP kind of. Not really. I see AMBC over here making a move, but no volume on it. Okay, I'm adding. Probably not the best spot to add there. I should have waited for the pullback to the VWAP to add. Double top at 424, 425. Oh man. Well, today I guess is not the day to buy and hold, is it? Let's see what happens with Lucy here. Move my stop loss up. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna have to sell Lucy because it could make a move here, but if I get stopped out, I'm gonna be down way more than I want to be. And that's going to have to do it for me. So I'm not taking any big losses here. I am down almost $500, and that's pretty much my daily max loss that I've set for myself, because otherwise what I end up with sometimes are days like this. See that big red day I had previously? It was how much did I lose that day? Over 4,000, I believe it was. Oh, I guess I can look over here. I'd forgotten. Yeah, $4,800. I lost $4,800 that day, and look how long it's taking me to try to recover. So that's why that day was a different day. I was just trying some things. But overall, my max loss on the account, $500 in a day. Because I can come back from that, you know, in a couple of days. So it's not that big a deal. But 4,800, that takes a long time to get back from. So going to be a red day, and I can tell you I played too aggressively right out the gate, knowing that to start the day things weren't looking that great to begin with. So playing really aggressive, I was looking for this to break through that high. I really thought it would, because we had this nice move, you know, nice move up here, strong looking candle. So I'm buying that little pullback there, looking for that break through the high, and that could have been a great winner, but unfortunately it stopped me out, and I was in it 3 times. I was risking $300, and you know, that's the way it goes. When I'm risking 300 on a trade, I'm automatically saying I'm willing to pay 300 to find out if that trade's going to work. And then getting in over here on ADTX and adding to it, and you know, so it was a good entry here. It broke down below this candle. I got in right there at that psychological $4 support. That was a good trade. That's good. I should have sold right here and been done as it broke this candle. Instead, what did I do? I held it. I added as it on this candle here, too high, might I add. I should have waited for it to pull back to the VWAP to add. I didn't. I was a little impatient because I thought with the momentum it might just break straight through. So that's why I was trying to jump in to take advantage of that and sell everything really quick. Didn't work for me. So we have us a day here where the bears are slapping the price down really hard, and I couldn't see myself continuing to trade knowing that we have this kind of price action. Now something might, you know, looks like things are wanting to turn around. We're still below the VWAP, so, you know, and the one thing we know about the VWAP is there are a lot of traders that use the VWAP as a level to either buy or sell. So it can be a really strong resistance or support. And so you have to be careful if you're going long below the VWAP. Sometimes it can pay off and you can get a short squeeze, much like what's happening right here now. So anybody going short there is now getting stopped out, and buyers are stepping in, and we're squeezing up and may see a break through the high of day. You don't see that all the time, so it can be a little risky, but sometimes the payoff can be huge. So I'm down $476, which is much better than 4,800. That's like way less. So what am I doing? I'm going over here. I want to see. Now I've built a cushion, right? So negative 476. And that's going to be a little pullback. See that pullback there, that candle dropping down? So that's not so bad. I can recover from that pretty easily. I've had these nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of upside. One day pulling back. I can handle that. We'll come back tomorrow and try to turn that around and go back up in the direction I want to get to. So yeah, not that big a deal. Oh, and look at that. LUCY making a double top there, looking good. So let's look at the 15-minute. Remember, we were looking for a higher low somewhere above 254. Looking like right now we got it at that EMA, and 275, that's a nice even number. And so now the bull's attempting They're going to pull back here a little bit, maybe down to $3. You know, that's nice. This is what you have here is kind of a cup and handle with your cup. And now you want to see this little handle and a breakthrough. So let's watch it for a second and see if this breaks through the high of 319. I wouldn't be surprised to see it pull back first down to $3. But I also wouldn't be surprised to see it break straight through. There's that 5-minute candle here is about to close. So let's see, is it just going to go? It's a nice dip trade opportunity right there. If I was still trading, I might try an entry there with my stop loss down here. Can we break 319? Yep, there we go. And getting rejected right away. Now here's that move down to the VWAP. Let's see if bulls by the dip. So see what I mean with when you have a stock like this with these high red volume candles, you have to be really careful about false breakouts like this. Because when you see this happen once, it's likely it's going to happen again. Same with this one over here. It happened once, it might just happen again. Now we do have a pretty good looking chart pattern here with this nice green candle on the 5-minute. And consolidation here, but again, big red volume to start the day. So this is looking pretty bearish, in my opinion. Let's see, can we do it? Oh, look at that. I want to see if it holds. That's what I'm watching for here. Oh, see that? Oh. That's interesting. All right. Well, so far the bears looking like they're dominating the day here, and this was a day that you had to be really careful about what you were doing, and it got me. So that's it from me, down 476. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching, and have a good rest of your day. Bye bye now.